Anthony's got a comment here. Hey, man, I like this conversation.
No, obviously, Anthony's got amazing energy and he's letting people feel it.
2 claps up and a Ric Flair. Woo! We're going to discuss where social media is going and how you can get the edge on the competition. As we all know, social media has become a powerful tool for online creators like you and me to reach out to our target audience. And as the world becomes more connected, social media marketing is evolving at a rapid pace. So what I feel in the future, creators will need to be even more creative and authentic in their approach to stand out in the social media landscape. Listen, new platforms to get your message out, they come and they go. Ask yourself, what do they all have in common? Video. Yes, short form video is hot right now, but you're starting to see the trends for video start to get longer again. TikTok, Instagram have all lengthened the time that it allows you to get your message across. Heck, even Twitter has increased their characters, right? So we've seen how video impacts perception. And now with chatbots and other forms of artificial intelligence, you'll be able to use those tools to enhance your language and create an even more personalized experience for your customers. And as wearable technology and augmented reality becomes more and more advanced, we expect to see businesses and even creators incorporate it into their marketing strategies. So the future of social media marketing is exciting and full of potential, and creators will need to adapt to keep up with the constantly evolving landscape. Now, if you'd like to lock arms with me and a community of online creators who are staying on the forefront of change and exploring marketing in this digital age, reach out to me at anthonydetry.digitalmentors.com. No, anthonydetry.digitalmentors.com. Yeah, that's it. 2 claps up for the Ric Flair. Woo!
Go check out Anthony on YouTube. He's kicking butt.